Hi there, this is Yogi Virendra Yogi, Bond, James Bond, a fakir, a real life hero, the most polite, docile and gentle, of the rank of Gautama, Siddhartha, Buddha, Vivekananda, Jesus and everyone. Not I am incarnate, but I follow their theories of living a very peaceful and serene life, a joyful and happy life. That's my attitude. Today I want to talk about India. This is the largest democracy on the world. And my best friend Abraham Lincoln defined democracy. The government of the people, by the people, and for the people. It's a wonderful. And America, one of my another land where I stay most of the time in Boston, Florida. There is another land, the oldest democracy. The wisest of the wise were born there. Thomas Jefferson, George Washington, Abraham Lincoln, John F. Kennedy, and count so many greats. They give absolute freedom to the citizens of America. Beloved friends, it's the greatest means of governing the country, blessing the citizens of the nation, absolute freedom. But freedom needs trained mind, educated mind, enlightened mind, restrained and posted mind, following the path of truth, justice, peace, love and non-violence, kindness, compassion, holiness. But unfortunately, majority of the citizens are very ignorant. Greed, anger, jealousy and cynicism in their mind. If you talk about India, you will find it is a multi-political party country where the oldest, the Congress, is still in the helms. It was formed by H.O. Hume in 1885 to express the grievances of the freedom fighters of India. But the legacy of Nehru has still continued. It is still existing in India. And the most latest and most powerful ruling government is led by Bharatiya Janata Party. This party is really a very selfless, patriotic, nationalist party who really want to serve the motherland and citizens from the core of the heart. When I say honest, dedicated, committed, I don't mean the largest political party in the world is having everyone great like Syama Prasad Mukherjee, Atal Bihari Vajpayee, Narendra Modi, Yogi Virendra Yogi, Yogi Adityanath, so many great citizens of India who are patriotic. There can be so many fools also, because it is democracy. Anybody can join any party. But still, leadership in the hands of Narendra Modi, who is really of the rank of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, who follows the path of peace, joy, serenity, calmness, dedicated, committed, ready to give blood, toil, tears and sweat to see that India is one of the most powerful nations in the world, never at the cost of others. A self-reliant India, a developing India, a great India. That is the dream of this great Narendra Modi, my best friend, Virendra Yogi. Beloved friends, what do you mean? But there are a lot of flaws, the benefits are innumerable. Even this Yogi Virendra Yogi Fakir has absolute freedom to express my views. This is never possible in a communist country like China. The Red Army will definitely wipe it out instantly, murder, massacre. Who forget the democratic movements when the bulldozers, the tanks and the guns were fired on the mass who were demanding democracy? This is a slave nation dominated by Xi Jinping. God forgive. We should not follow the jungle Raj, might is right. People Liberation Army, one party is ruling that country. We are proud to have a democracy where any party has chance to come. But as the mass is illiterate and uneducated, they misuse democracy. Right of expression, right of communication, right of movements here and there, right to own property. They are doing all unfair means, cheating, corruption. When they talk, I give you few examples. There is one Ravan. He is really Ravan, Chandrasekhar Ravan. He is Bhim Army party leader from Uttar Pradesh. He is really Ravan. Unethical, arrogant, cruel, criminal. And he is still surviving. He is not less than Vikas Dubey. But Yogi Adityanath is also tolerant. Take another example, Aam Aadmi Party leader Sanjay Singh. He is another very violent and aggressive leader. He is another criminal of the rank of Osama bin Laden. Listen to him when he talks. He wants to massacre everyone. He criticizes everyone for no reason. Then let's count few from Congress party. Manish Shankar Iyer, who want to create alliance with the party of Pakistan to destabilize India and massacre the political ruling party Narendra Modi and his friends. Another great villain from Congress party, Rahu and Ketu. The great idiots of Hindustan, Rahul Gandhi. This idiot, Danda Maro, Modi ko Danda Maro. Hey, bloody fool, don't know what to talk. Another Farooq Abdullah. They want to make alliance with China and liberate Kashmir from Indian government. Dear friends, despite all these kind of maladies, all this kind of negativity, I still love democracy. But I only wish my learned friends should learn and they should behave responsibly. Because of democracy we are having such great expression of our views, but we should not cross the limit. If somebody like me, this Fakir, Yogi, Virendra Yogi, come in power, I will give a perfect education to every citizen right from childhood. I will really impose the real truth which everyone should follow. Love everyone, respect everyone, learn to live together in perfect harmony and peace. No confusion, no conflict, no barbarism, no terrorism, no criminal assaults on my sisters and daughters and mothers. In India, see, every day you will find there are rapes, there are murders, and they are all done by the political sponsored terrorists. Because to defame the ruling party, Yogi Adityanath, Yogi Narendra Modi, Yogi Virendra Yogi, these people are creating these kind of disguised activities to destabilize the government. The mighty Indian citizens, 1.35 billion, I request. All of you will not learn and listen to my language of universal brotherhood, wishing happiness and joy for everyone, working day and night honestly and sincerely, the basis being truth, justice, peace, love and non-violence, honesty, integrity and humility, dedicated, committed to give blood, toil, tears and sweat to see that India is secure, China is not threatening us, Pakistan is not sending terrorists to kill our innocent sisters and brothers of Jammu and Kashmir. Unite, work together. When our country is there, we are there. When our motherland is safe, we are safe. Unite. We have differences of opinion because we are not following the path of truth. There is a greed. There is selfish motive. That's why you want to come in power. This Fakir, Yogi, Virendra Yogi never want to come in power. I want to see that all sisters and brothers, daughters and sons are empowered to really live happily in perfect harmony, peace, joy, physically, mentally, spiritually, emotionally, in a very balanced state of mind, completing their solemn journey of life in absolute tranquility, serenity, calmness. That's only possible when we say Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam, Atma Sarvbhutesu, Sarve Bhutesu, Om Shanti. Don't tell I'm Hindu. I'm talking truth. I'm not Hindu. I'm not Musalman. I'm not anything. I'm a great human being. The whole earth is my mother. Every creature is my ancestor. Every sisters and brothers of America, England, every part of the nation, they are my. Thank you very much.